Swappa is a marketplace for buying and selling gently used electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and smartwatches. Here's how to create a store on Swappa. 1. Sign up for a Swappa account or log into your existing one. 2. Click on the Sell tab in the top menu and select Create a Store. 3. Fill out your store information, including your store name, logo, and description. 4. Add your payment and shipping details, including your preferred payment method and shipping carrier. 5. Upload high-quality photos of your items for sale and provide detailed descriptions and prices. 6. Set up your inventory management system to keep track of what's in stock and what's sold. 7. Customize your storefront with a banner image and background color to make it stand out. 8. Review and submit your store for approval by Swappa's team of experts. 9. Once approved, start promoting your store through social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract buyers. 10. Provide excellent customer service and communicate promptly with buyers to ensure a positive shopping experience on Swappa. Swappa, a popular marketplace for buying and selling used and refurbished electronics, offers an affiliate program for content creators, bloggers, and website owners. The program allows affiliates to earn a commission by promoting Swappa products and services to their audience. Here's how it works. 1. Sign up for the Swappa affiliate program through their affiliate network partner, ShareASale. 2. Once approved, you'll receive a unique referral link and banner ads to promote Swappa on your website or social media channels. 3. Place the referral link or banner ads on your website or social media profiles to start promoting Swappa. 4. When someone clicks on your referral link and makes a purchase on Swappa within 30 days, you'll earn a commission of 5% on the sale. 5. You can track your earnings and commissions through your Share account dashboard. 6. Swappa offers a 90-day cookie duration, meaning if someone clicks on your referral link and doesn't make a purchase right away, you'll still earn a commission if they make a purchase within 90 days of clicking your link. 7. Swappa also provides affiliates with promotional materials, product updates, and other resources to help you promote their products effectively. 8. To maintain your affiliate status, you must generate at least $50 in sales within a 12-month period. If you fail to meet this requirement, your account will be deactivated.